happening, bro? You see, today we're ends out in, boy. See, ends out, boy. Today, let's get it, bro. We're doing the Blxckie tutorial, bro. The GOAT. Without him, I wouldn't have known you the game, no cap. But yeah, let's do the Blxckie tutorial, bro. You know what it is at this point, though. Let's get into it, though. A sound canvas has the best sounds, but I can't use it because it's just gonna explode. For us, the uneducated, you go to view, scale highlighting, hold control. Minor harmonic is tough for like sad stuff. Mostly hip hop is in minor harmonic. You can go minor melodic, but I prefer minor harmonic. If you want to go major, you go major. All these other scales here that you can choose. Let's just go D sharp. I'm just gonna make a two chord progression. Two chord progression. I like these ones. These ones are really tough. Two chord progression song. Even though you hardly find these type of songs in hip hop. I am generally just adding notes that I think sound cool together. Let me use this. This guy's fun as hell, bro. This free. I should get these as like a free trial for like a few days. But you should get these, bro. Okay. This is already so. Herc be doing the most random hi-hat rolls, bro. Herc needs to be stopped. This bro will just get to 1/6 beat and just do this, dog. I swear the whole GMG just jam spins, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you. Should be called GSG, bro. Honestly. It's not sitting right with me. that's about it for this one. Blxckie asked for beats. That's the beats out 10. Blxckie in general, bro, I feel like, I mean, people are giving him his flowers, but he's just like one of those brews that we're just gonna look back and be like, damn, he was really doing the most. I mean, this brew's on like pretty much every single week. He dropped a feature, whatever. Somebody drops a song and he's there. You know, I would say he's MVP. In terms of being active, I would say he's MVP. Hope you learned something. Even though I didn't talk that much, when I get cooking, I forget that I'm actually making a video. And OBS most definitely does not forget. That's why it keeps crashing. Lately, bro, I've been living my life in a way to filter out your goals and prioritize your time. Like whenever you're about to do something, always ask yourself, is this for or against my goal? And then decide for it. If you see that, no, this is against your goal, you're wasting time with this, then eventually, if you keep taking the path to your goal, even if you take a few not for your goal, but as long as you keep taking the path towards your goal more, you will most definitely arrive, bro. That's all I gotta say, bro. I'll see y'all, boy. I'll see y'all in, bro. Peace out.